Hi guys, this is Coach Foster, February 8th, 9th, or 10th, depending on what day you have PE. So I'm showing you the first part of our lesson. There's two challenges for you guys today. This is the first one. It's called the pillow challenge. I've got about 7 pillows on my daughter's bed, and I'm trying to see how many pillows I can put between my feet, between my arms, in my hands, whatever I want to do to hold as many pillows as I can. If you do this by yourself, I'm going to show you the way to do that. If you do it with a partner, they can throw the pillows to you, and you're just going to do the same thing. So this is what you do. Okay? So somebody's going to say go. I'm the only one here, so I'm going to say go. So as fast as I can, putting this pillow here, this pillow here, this pillow here. Here I go. How many pillows can I pick up? I can put it in my hands, between my arm, in my underarm. I can pick up these like this, maybe one more like that, and I've got them. So what did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pillows. See if you can beat that, okay? Now I'm going to stop the video, and you do that, and then I'll show you the second challenge, okay? So pause the video and do the first challenge that I just showed you. All right, guys, I'm back. Now, how did you do the first challenge? How many pillows were you able to hold? Cool. All right, so now we're doing challenge number 2, okay? This is called the obstacle course. Now, there's a lot of stuff that I'm about to show you. Don't worry about it right now. Wait till I'm finished showing you the whole challenge, and then you can get your stuff, okay? All right, so there goes my cat. Do you see my cat back there? That's obstacle number 1. Okay, now I'm going to show you the rest. Obstacle number 2 is, these are called potholes. So I'm stepping through a box, a cooler, and I've got this bag, kind of cooler bag, and I went through those. So those are called potholes. Messed up my shoe, I gotta fix that. Now I'm wading, or I'm stepping through the landmines. I don't want to step on, this is just a bunch of stuff that I put on the floor. And I'm stepping through them. I didn't step on anything. Now I'm going over the paper bridge. You don't have to have new papers. These are just a bunch of old papers that I've already used, and I've put them, I can only step on the papers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I finish the paper bridge, I've got, this is called climbing the hill. All I did was take a blanket and I put it over a piece of furniture, okay? You can use whatever you want, okay? I start down here and I'm climbing over the hill. And then when I get over here, now I'm to the ice wall. The ice wall is just a bunch of chairs or a couch. You could use a bed. I'm using a chair and a couch, okay? Did you see my cat? All right, so here I go. I'm stepping on the chair. Got to be careful. Make sure it's okay with your parents for you to do this. So I'm balancing on the chair. Now I'm stepping onto the couch. I'm hanging on to the back of the couch, okay? And when I get to right here, I don't know if you can see it, but I've got a wadded up piece of paper, and there's a laundry basket over there, and I'm going to try to throw it. Yes! I'm finished, okay? And if you have any extra time, you can do it again and again and again. So that's challenge number 2. I hope you guys enjoy these challenges and enjoy this PE class. I'll see you next time for online PE.